Welcome back! Today we're diving into the wild ride that starts with those two pink lines. Pregnancy is a mix of excitement, nerves, and a million questions. But you don't have to go it alone. Your phone can be your best friend, turning uncertainty into real info and support. We're breaking down the best pregnancy tracking apps to guide you from the first test to the delivery room. Whether you're expecting or supporting someone who is, hit like and subscribe for more real talk and trusted tools. Let's jump in. All right, let's dive into our top pregnancy apps. We're kicking things off with a true classic, an app that has guided countless parents-to-be through the incredible journey of pregnancy. It's What to Expect, the classic, trusted by generations of parents. This app has been a go-to resource, offering support and information every step of the way. What to Expect keeps you informed with week-by-week updates, providing a clear picture of what's happening with your baby and your body. This app breaks down your baby's development in simple, reassuring language, helping you understand the incredible changes taking place. It's like having a knowledgeable friend guiding you through each stage. Stunning 3D and AR images let you see your baby's growth in amazing detail. These visuals offer a unique and engaging way to connect with your little one before they even arrive. These features are making milestones feel real, turning abstract concepts into tangible moments you can share with your partner. The community forums are huge, offering a space to connect with other expectant parents. You can find support for every question, from managing morning sickness symptoms to navigating those late-night cravings. It's a place to share experiences, ask for advice, and build connections. It's perfect for first-time parents who might be feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there. For those who want reliable info and a supportive community, this app is a must-have. It provides a sense of reassurance and connection during a time of significant change. You'll get detailed guidance on everything from prenatal care to preparing for labor and delivery. What to Expect offers amazing visuals and a welcoming place to connect with others who are going through the same journey. It's the gold standard for a reason, consistently earning high ratings and positive reviews from users. If you want a comprehensive, all-in-one experience that covers all bases, start here. It's a great foundation for your pregnancy journey. What to Expect holds your hand through every milestone, from the first positive test to the arrival of your little one. It's the ultimate pregnancy companion, providing the information, support, and community you need to navigate this incredible chapter of your life. Next up, we have The Bump, an app that's quickly becoming a favorite among expecting parents. It stands out with its commitment to providing a user experience that is both informative and aesthetically pleasing. It's sleek, modern, and beautifully designed, offering a refreshing alternative to some of the more cluttered and overwhelming pregnancy apps out there. The interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate and find the information you need quickly. Enjoy daily updates tailored to your specific stage of pregnancy. These updates provide valuable insights into what's happening with your baby and your body. The Bump also features interactive 3D visuals, bringing your baby's development to life in a way that's both educational and captivating. These features make tracking your pregnancy not just a routine, but a fun and engaging experience. You'll find yourself looking forward to each new update and visual. One of the standout features is the Inside the Bump tool. This innovative feature lets you explore your baby's development in incredible detail, offering a closer look at each stage of growth. And let's not forget about the Universal Registry Builder, which is a total game changer, simplifying the often daunting task of creating a baby registry. With this tool, you can easily add items from any store, read reviews from other parents, and streamline your baby shopping experience, making it more efficient and less stressful. If you appreciate clean design, enjoy receiving daily tidbits of information, and value practical tools that simplify pregnancy, then this is definitely the app for you. The Bump seamlessly blends style with substance, offering a visually appealing and highly functional experience. This combination makes pregnancy feel not just manageable, but also curated and genuinely exciting. It's the perfect choice for modern parents who are looking for an app that fits their lifestyle. It caters to those who want both beauty and brains in their pregnancy resources. In short, The Bump is the cool mom of pregnancy apps, offering a blend of style, functionality, and engaging content that sets it apart from the rest. Let's talk about Baby Center. It's more than just an app, it's a companion, a guide, and a friend throughout your pregnancy journey. It's the ultimate community hub, a place where you can connect with other parents, share your experiences, and find support when you need it most. Think of it as your digital village, always there for you. Get weekly baby updates, tailored to your specific stage of pregnancy. These updates provide valuable insights into your baby's development and what to expect each week. Access helpful articles covering a wide range of topics, from prenatal care to labor and delivery, and videos covering every stage, offering visual guidance and expert advice to help you prepare for parenthood. The real magic? It lies in the connections you'll make and the support you'll receive. Massive, active forums buzzing with conversations and shared experiences, where you'll find your birth club, a dedicated group of parents due around the same time as you, and connect with parents on the same journey, sharing milestones, anxieties, and joys. Baby Center goes beyond birth, understanding that the journey doesn't end with delivery, offering postpartum and newborn care resources, ensuring you have the support you need during those early days and weeks. Track your health, log symptoms, and monitor your well-being throughout your pregnancy. And use handy tools like kit counters to keep track of your baby's movements and ensure their well-being, and contraction timers to help you determine when it's time to head to the hospital. It's for parents who crave connection, who want to share their experiences and learn from others. And a wealth of information, all in one convenient place. If you want a supportive, bustling community where you can find answers, share your fears, and celebrate your joys. And all-in-one resource that simplifies your pregnancy journey. Baby Center is your go-to. It's the app you'll rely on, day after day. It's the online parenting group that feels like a family. You'll never want to leave, because you'll find everything you need right here. For the data lovers, Ovia Pregnancy is your dream app. Personalize your experience with detailed health tracking. Log symptoms, nutrition, sleep, and more. Ovia's food safety lookup tool is a lifesaver. Instantly check if foods or meds are pregnancy safe. Get tailored articles, fun baby size comparisons, and interactive 3D videos. Visualize your health with charts and graphs, making doctor visits easier. Ovia blends deep data with emotional support and a helpful community. If you want control, insight, and a personalized journey, Ovia is for you. It's the planner's perfect pregnancy partner. Pregnancy Plus is all about stunning visuals and shared experiences. Enjoy realistic 3D models and life-size images of your baby's growth. Daily tips and articles keep you informed, while the app's design makes every milestone feel magical. Unique partner and family modes let loved ones follow along with tailored updates. Track weight, kicks, and contractions, and use the baby name generator for fun. It's perfect for visual parents and couples who want to experience pregnancy together. Pregnancy Plus turns your journey into a beautiful, interactive scrapbook. It's the app for families who want to connect and celebrate every step. Glow Nurture is for the tech-savvy, health-conscious parent. Log every symptom, mood, and change for a complete health record. Sync with Apple Health or Google. Fit for a unified wellness dashboard. See how your activity, sleep, and mood connect throughout pregnancy. Enjoy daily articles, fetal images, and a supportive community. Partner syncing keeps your support person in the loop. If you want a holistic, integrated tracking experience, Glow Nurture is your pick. It's a powerful tool for a modern, informed pregnancy. That's our roundup of the best pregnancy apps. Choose the one that fits your style. Don't overload, just use what supports you. Share the journey with your partner and join a community for extra support. Remember, apps are guides. Trust your body and talk to your doctor too. Have a favorite app or tip? Drop it in the comments to help others. Like and subscribe for more practical parenting tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.